Hello, Paul here again from EMD Motorsport. Got this Porsche Cayman I was talking about. Finally got the intake back on. A lot of little wires and little vacuum lines got to be routed correctly. So, and then everything have to go in a certain way to make it work. Otherwise you'll damage parts. So everything's back on now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to look up my vacuum diagram system. And I've got a few silicon rubber. I'm using silicon rubber. I want to replace the actual some of the normal rubber that they use for the intake. So I'm going to replace them with actually silicon rubber, blue silicon. So this is on now. So basically you got to get this part back on as well. Next time, tomorrow, we're going to put the extra fuel injectors in, the rail back on to here, and run the fuel lines around properly. Put the new seals back on for the injectors and the clips. And then we're getting there, getting very close. The reason why I'm getting very close, because I've got two workers now. Before I was by myself and it was very hard to do anything. So now I can actually concentrate on that, and then it's moving. So after that, I'll go back to the diesel engine. This is a Porsche Cayenne diesel engine, which is the same as Amarok and the actual Audis. That's all there as well, all stripped down. But that's where we are at the moment. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.